So when is a good time to say I've tried all I can with my beautiful black men and it's time to look for my white king?
Wait, because I know she finna go in. I already know how she feel about this particular topic. And guys, I just want to go ahead and let you guys know, if you want to view this video all the way through, I'll leave a link down in the description below for you guys to go and go check this out. Now, fellas, on the other hand, if you do, because we do have some women that feel this way, let them leave, all right? Now is a good time. If you are, if the thought has crossed your mind, go on with him. Go on over there with him. Trust and believe. Most dudes ain't really tripping like that. If you want to go, Lee, I'm gonna go ahead and open the damn door for you. Let me go ahead and help you out. See your way out. I know she about to go in though. Let her rock.
The only relationship you are ever having is the one you're having with yourself. So if you got an issue with black men, find what that is in you. Do you have an issue in you because your skin is dark, your lips are big, your butt is whatever? The only relationship you ever have is the one that you're having with yourself. And what you will attract is the very thing that you need to see to heal in you. And we have that problem. We blame our partners. I look at my partner and I, ooh, I need to clean that up. And when I clean it up in me, you know what happens? Either he cleans it up in him or he leaves.
Man, when I tell you, I absolutely love the way that she puts things and what she is doing. And I guarantee you, individuals like her, I don't know this young lady in particular, so I'm just gonna speak based on the mindset, all right? Based on the mindset from what I've heard, or what I'm hearing is people like this aren't used to that accountability mirror being put in front of them, forcing you to look in the mirror. Stop thinking that the reason or the problem is everybody else. Look in that mirror. What do you got going on with you? Why in the world do you continue to attract certain type of people, give your time to certain type of people? The common denominator in every single last relationship is that person that's in the mirror. So is it really everybody else, or is the issue something with you? A lot of people don't want to look within because that forces us to what? Have to do the work on ourselves. You can always jump from one relationship to the next, jump out of one bed to the next. You know, they always say, you know, new things get old real quick when you continue to do stuff like that. And during this time, you're picking up more and more trauma bonding, instead of going to the root of the problem, which is, again, bring that mirror out. It's you. You have to do the work on you first. Stop thinking and believing that everybody else is the problem. That's not the case. It's you. We're gonna start it over so we can get hopefully the full context of it. I just had to stop it right there because she was cooking. She definitely was cooking. All right, let me start this thing over.
So when is a good time to say I've tried all I can with my beautiful black men and it's time to look for my white king?
The only relationship you are ever having is the one you're having with yourself. So if you got an issue with black men, find what that is in you. Do you have an issue in you because your skin is dark, your lips are big, your butt is whatever? The only relationship you ever have is the one that you're having with yourself. And what you will attract is the very thing that you need to see to heal in you. And we have that problem. We blame our partners. I look at my partner and I, ooh, I need to clean that up. And when I clean it up in me, you know what happens? Either he cleans it up in him or he leaves. You're only having the relationship with yourself. So if you've got an issue of value, of worth, if you betray yourself, if you lie to yourself, oh, I'm not going to do that no more, and then you do it. If you say, I'm going to do this, and you don't do it, you've betrayed yourself. You're going to attract somebody who's going to betray you. If when it's time for you to stand up, you people please and kowtow, and you don't stand up for yourself, you're going to attract someone who's going to betray you and defame you. The only relationship you ever have is the one you're having with yourself, and your partner will reflect that.
I think that what she is saying has honestly been a reflection of, I'm just gonna say, a lot of people around me, like their lives, right? When you are a certain way and you don't do the work, you continue to attract certain people, and people stay there for a while, for a long time. But the minute that you start working on yourself, you start improving, you stop thinking and having that victim-like mentality, and you start knowing and understanding that, yo, I control my life. Every day that I get up, I'm trying to, and I'm going to improve no matter what. It's so funny and it's so crazy how those individuals that, again, have that type of mindset, they slowly start to drop off. They slowly start to spend less and less time around you, because it becomes quite uncomfortable for those type of people. Like, yo, this person going to the gym all the time, they either gonna do one or two things. Either they gonna offer to go with you, or it never fails, y'all are going to start naturally growing apart. And that's not a bad thing, because you want to attract those people that are working out, those people that are trying to improve, those people that are trying to grow. You don't want to remain around those people like you once was, right? Growth and everything that entails, it just naturally, you gravitate towards that. And those people, those fakers, whatever you want to call them, those people that are comfortable, those people that are content, those people that want to continue to live a certain type of lifestyle, I'm telling you, the more that you improve, the more that space just gets bigger and bigger. The more you start to grow away from people, the more you start to improve, the more other people start to naturally gravitate towards those people that you should and want to be around, those positive people, those people that are continue to move towards change each and every day. And here's the crazy part about it. If you look at this young lady's eyes, she's receiving all that, because I think most people deep down know this, but they like to suppress it. They like to ignore it. They like to distance themselves from people that's going to hold them account. They can't stand it. But at the end of the day, if you know better, you need to do better. All right? But I want to hear from y'all. What do you guys think, man? I absolutely love to hear the older generation that is kicking game like this to the younger generation, because this is what they need to hear. All right? Anyway, guys, until the next time, y'all be blessed, y'all be beautiful, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa. Too bad was, they roll.